in the storm over us. Love was burning. We wounded what was sacred with words we never meant. Every silence was a thunder, every kiss was an event. I saw your eyes breaking behind the pride we wore. We were fighting for the ending, but our hearts were begging more. Lightning on the ceiling, tears upon the floor. Tell me we're not over. Tell me there is more. There was a storm over us, but I still felt your fire. Even when the rain came down, you were my only desire. There was a storm over us, but love refused to fall. If we survive the darkest night, we can survive it all. Survive it all. Survive it all. And the storm over hold me through the thunder. Don't leave me in the rain. I would rather break with you than heal without your name. Thunder rising, hearts colliding. We can survive. We can survive it all. Storm over us. Fire in the we can survive it all. Love through the There was a storm over us, but I still felt your fire. Even when the rain came down, you were my only desire. There was a storm over us, but I still felt your fire. Even when the rain came down, you were my only desire. I'm still dreaming, still believing, with open eyes. broken heart kept reaching for the light. They told me love was foolish. They told me dreams would die. But I saw forever in the ashes of goodbye. I may fall, but I still rise. I may hurt, but I still shine. I'm a dreamer with open eyes, chasing heaven through the fire. Even when my wings are tired, I keep flying higher. I'm a dreamer with open eyes, with your memory in my chest. If love is made for those who try, then I'm not finished yet. Not finished yet. Flying higher. Dreamer with open eyes. Every scar became a road. Every tear became a sign. I was never really lost. I was learning how to shine.